I want to show you my IKEA sink problem and hopefully the solution that I'm going to come up with. So I have the Hemnes cabinet and the Rättviken sink and the Rinnen drain pipe system. So I think I'm going to have to put this centered, and I was able to find this coupling that works with the P-trap that came with the sink, and I would just tighten it down on that side, and it also connects to the ABS pipe coming out of the wall. Fits very nicely on there, nice and snug. It's a 1.5 inch to 1.25 inch, so that's why it's able to fit on here. So I think there's two things I need to do. First, I need to shut off the water and turn the valve so that the this part is pointing either to the side or up, so that my sink inlet will not be in the way of everything that's going on over here. To shut off the water and turn that whole valve around. And then I also need to get a 90-degree elbow to put from the ABS pointing to the right and glue that on so that I can have this be just like this with the 90-degree elbow right there. So let's see if that works. Here's what I got, a 1.5 inch, I think it's called hub to street elbow, and I already did a dry fit and it works well, it fits well, so I'm going to use my ABS cement and attach this on. Quarter turn and hold it for 30 seconds. Now it's been about 30 minutes, so it's time to put this coupling on. The ABS cement needed to dry for 30 minutes. Okay, as you can see, the dry fit works pretty well. And then I'm just going to use my 5/16 little hex bit to tighten this. I'm going to turn on the sink inlets. Get some water flowing, and woohoo! Let's check, is it leaking anywhere? Nope. Yay!